What a glorious sight for her. A slight right hand lean there before heading onto the orange carpet. One final little check over her shoulder. She cannot believe she's going to be crowned world champion in a few seconds' time. And considering how quickly they've run through this second half, she's in fabulous shape. The first half was slow. The second half has been lightning quick, considering the temperature has climbed now to something very close to 30 degrees centigrade. Ethiopia will retain gold in the women's marathon in Budapest 2023. Sebastian Coe to the left there, holding the finish banner for this marvelous Ethiopian athlete. She is world champion. Shankule of Ethiopia. Amaanee Bariisoo Shankule, the third quickest athlete in time, in all time, is the fastest in the world this year in Budapest. And there a silver medal for last year's champion, Silaaseen. And this from Fatima Ezara Gardadi at the age of 31 in only her third marathon. Miraculous running from Gardadi, and boy did she finish fast.